What's the first thing that comes to mind when you think of a perfect morning routine, one that sets you up for a day of energy and clarity? For me, it used to be a cup of coffee and a rush out the door, but all of that changed when I stumbled upon the gelatin trick. This simple daily ritual has completely transformed my mornings, and I'm excited to share how. By incorporating the gelatin trick into my morning routine, I've noticed a significant difference in how I feel throughout the day. My friend even commented on it the other day, asking what my secret was. As it turns out, the gelatin trick is all about giving your body a gentle nudge in the right direction, helping to wake up without that sluggish feeling. Researchers say that small changes like the gelatin trick can add up to make a big impact on our overall wellness, and I can definitely attest to that. To learn more about how to make the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine, check out the link in my description below, where you'll find a detailed guide to getting started. Be sure to also check out the pinned comment for some helpful tips from our community on how to make the gelatin trick work best for you.